So I believe that some of the advantages of being an entrepreneur mom is that I am a role model and a leader for my children. You know, I have children that are now entrepreneurs themselves because I believe they've seen the witness of me, you know, their mom. I believe they've seen the hard work and the dedication, and they have seen that it does pay off. And so I believe that one of the big things for me is that my children have seen the example of entrepreneurship and they are now leading by example. I paved my way, you know, I figure it out, and you know, there's a lot of joy and a lot of pain, but it's still my way. It's still, you know, we're paving our own way, and you know, we're not doing it for anyone else, but we're doing it for ourselves. And so I think that just the overall gain is that it's a lot of enjoyment when you can successfully do something, bring it to fruition, and just make it happen. And I also love that, you know, I tell my women here, we are all girl team except one guy that comes and goes, but ultimately we're an all-girl team, and I call us the gladiators, because these women do things well, and I'm so excited that I can have these women around me that are learning themselves how to be entrepreneurs and how to do things on their own. And so I just like that we built a community with the people that work for us and the people that come into our store every day. We built a place where people call home, where people say, you know, I cannot go back home without stopping at Scratch. You know, that's what I was looking for when I first opened Scratch, you know, almost 14 years ago, was to be that neighborhood bakery. And I